Yeah, good morning everyone. This is my vlog. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Good morning everyone. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Today is Thursday. My cooking day. 24th of April 2025. Ayan, time check is 4:08. 4:08 ako lumabas, so pwedeng dahan-dahan ng walk. And then, the weather for today is about 7 degrees. Malinaw, everyone. Very clear. Walang ulan. Pero, ganun pa man, is Baguio. It seems like I'm in the Baguio or in the Tagaytay. And kasi nasa mga mountain yung mga yan. Yung ganun. Pinakamataas ang area at puro puno. Yan. It's like you are in the forest. The feeling is cold. Still cold dito sa UK. Ayan lang everyone. And see you again later after my work. Bye-bye. Good morning everyone. Kain tayo.
Yung table, oh. Para yung top table pag nakasal. Confidence nga.
Breakfast po tayo everyone. Good morning everyone. Time check 9:05. Let's go to train station to take a train everyone. Ayan, old telephone booth noon. Famous the telephone booth of money in here in UK everyone. So let's do the fish and grills. Ayan, ito yung yung mga coffee lovers yan. Dito sila so magstay sa Exhibition Road SW7. Walang sasakyan kaya tawid lang tayo everyone. So that's it. See you later everyone. Diretso ako sa palengke. Cooking day today. District line everyone. Going home everyone. Take my Westminster train station. Going to Piccadilly line everyone. Platform 4 is now around this area. So let us see for my Jubilee line. How many minutes? 1 minute. 1 minutes. 1 minutes. So wait for it and then.
Train to Stonewall. Please stand back from the platform edge.
Time check, 9:26. Morning everyone! After work, diretso ako dito sa Cricklewood. Buy tayo ng mga gulay. Ay, meron silang ay, wala. Awan, gulay. Meron dito. Dito dati kami nakatira eh. Unang bahay. Yeah, dito kami. Sa Cricklewood. Kaya doon ako namamalengke sa Asili. So, now I am here. Which is which? Wala, sayote lang ang gulay nila. Walang upo ngayon. Grabe naman yan. Ayun, I saw it. Ito. Boom. Praise God. Done palengke everyone. So, nearly go home. No, nearly at home everyone. Nearly at home. So, ayan, nararamdaman ko maambo na naman everyone. So, hindi naman tayo pwedeng bumilis ang lakad dahil baka maano tayo, matapitapilok na naman. So, I'll be careful to my feet dahil sa mga pangyayari ay ayaw ko nang paulit-ulit pa. So, that's it everyone. See you later while in cooking. My menu is ginisang upo at pritong isda. And the fish is bokiron for dinner. See you later everyone. For lunch, tignan natin kung maluto ko yung noodles, pero wala naman ako nabiling pak choy, nakalimutan ng utak ko. Ayun, maybe tomorrow na lang. Bye, see you when I see you. Ayan ang aking niluto everyone. Upo. Ayan o, upo. Upo. Ginaisang upo sa giniling. Plus, done my fish. Everyone. Bokiron. Lunchtime everyone. Dito ako, may gagawin ako kasi I'm watching the CCTV in good afternoon. Hindi pa pala good afternoon. Good morning. Naku, parang yung ano ko ay bumabalik. Tingnan natin nga. Kasi natanggal na yan sa Pilipinas, yung pekas dito. Parang nagbablash. Grabe naman yun. Sige na nga, kain muna tayo while watching YouTube. Good afternoon everyone. Time check. 3:30 na po. So, ayun. Mali ang aking suot ng sombrero. Masulok sa mata. So, that's it everyone. See you later after 2 trains and 5 minutes walk. at Alligate. Hi and see you. Mayroong tao yung mas talubong ko. Good afternoon everyone. 1 minute before the train comes. It's already this is pala. That is the rail trail pala. So I am here at the Willisden Green. Pwede ko nakita. Sa iba yata. Hindi pala yung dito. Old change daw, old change. So, my train is here already, everyone. And the Metropolitan is there at behind. Oy, puno. Daming pasahero. Priority to save everyone.
Yung nangyari na yun, mga taong may gusto eh.
Watching YouTube. Dinner for time at the moment. Kain tayo everyone.